Hey bro, could you tell me how you manage these all stops in one day? Like first you go your school, then academy, and then for sports and enjoy the life as well, and then you do homework, plus spend some time with your family. It's very hard for me, like it's mind blowing. I was really depressed and I can't handle it. Could you tell me how you manage this? Why you can't handle your time? Okay. I got you. So if you're also facing this problem, so I'm gonna give you the best strategy in my life, and if you apply that, so might be it can change your life. And so without wasting up your precious time, let's go towards the video. Assalamu-Alikum everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna tell you the best strategy of time management. For the success in your future, you must need a beautiful discipline, and for discipline you need a beautiful time management. And if you can do this time management, so I'm gonna bet you that you never ever be successful in your life. I saw a lot of people that they have a big goals, they want to be successful in the future, but they don't have any proper time management, and they can't do a proper time management. And when you can't do any proper time management, you will be the cause of depression, and you will start overthinking, and like these all stops. And first of all, why you start overthinking? When you have a big goals in your future and you want to achieve that early, quickly, and you're not able to do any work for that, so you will be the cause of overthinking, depression, stress, all these stuffs. And especially you want to do all the things on one time. It's not possible to do all work on one time. Then you will be the cause of overthinking. So in this video, I'm going to give you the best strategy, the best formula of time management. If you apply this strategy in your life, you'll be able to manage your time properly. Now go to the pad and paper and now come back to the video. Okay, I hope that you took page and paper. What you have to do, simply follow my strategy, focus on me, because it's gonna be more important. The first thing is you have to do is make a quarter and add 4 quarter. Divide this page into 4 quarter like this. Okay, the first one and the second one. Yes, you can see this. Okay, like this. Then at the first quarter, you have to write the things which are important but not urgent, like this. Give a topic like this. In the second one quarter, the things which are important and urgent as well. Like at the first one, you write that important but not urgent. At the second, you write important and urgent. At the third one, you have to write the things which are not important but urgent. I'm going to explain this one by one. And at the fourth one quarter, this one, you have to write the things which are not important and not urgent. At the first one quarter, the topic which you wrote, like the things which are important but not urgent. Like what sort of thing is important but not urgent? Like if you want to know about the finance and learn about the finance, okay, in financial education, you want to get a financial education. So this financial education and about finance is important but not urgent. That if you don't learn about finance right now, so you will you will lose your future and you will not be successful in future. Not there's nothing like this. Another one thing, like exercise, that if you want that if you don't do exercise right now, so there will be nothing happen to your life and to your body. That if you don't do exercise right now, it's not urgent, it's important but not urgent. You can do the exercise tomorrow, you can do the exercise after tomorrow. This is the explanation of first one topic, that the things which are important but not urgent. So you have to manage the proper time for this. At the end, I'm going to give you the plus point, which will be very beautiful plus point, so must watch at the end. So now let's come to the second one point. The second one point, the things which are important and urgent as well, like exams and assignment. So like they have exam on your head and you want to focus on the things on the first one thing, like I've already told you, the things which are important but not urgent, you're focusing on these things, and the things which are important and urgent as well, and you're not focusing on that. So might be that you will lose the things which are coming soon on your head. And like exams, if there are exams, so the exam are important as well and urgent as well. So like after a week you have exams and you're not doing preparation for that, so you must start to do preparation for that. And as well, teacher gave you the assignment assignment and you're not completing that, you have to give that assignment tomorrow. So these things are important as well and urgent as well, so you also have to manage time for this. Not do one thing just at all day, but manage the time for that. So now come to the third point, the things which are not important but urgent. This is the work of your home. After potato is finished in your home and your mom is calling to you that go to market and bring some potato, so these are the things which are important. You have to do this right now, but this is not important. If for instance you have your little brother in your home, so you can call to your brother and tell him that go bring a potato from market to home. So from these other things, my mean as household work. Household work is not important but urgent, and so manage your time for that as well. And now let's come to the fourth point. Fourth one point is things which are not important and not urgent. Like what sort of thing is not important and not urgent? The first one thing in that is movies, Netflix. Amazon Prime. Go to cinema for watching any movie or any film, like any film newly released, and your friend want to go there and watch that. This is the thing which are not important and not urgent. And the second one thing, like you post on Instagram your pic and your picture, and again you are go and watch its comment. These things are not important and not urgent. So this is a strategy which which I've been following for a month, and I saw a big huge difference in my life. So now you'll also be waiting for a plus point. That what is the plus point is? So the plus point is that don't follow anyone timetable, anyone's schedule, because I don't know about your time, you don't know about my time, and no one knows about anyone else's time better than his time. So make sure that make your own schedule of the time, make your own timetable. It will be very helpful for you. And so might be that this video will be helpful for you, and if this video is helpful for you, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon as well for receiving the further more informative videos like this. So see you soon in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye.